extra time.
আমি জয় ব্যানার্জি আর আপনারা দেখছেন এক্সট্রা টাইম বাংলা। আপনারা আমার পিছনে মাঠ দেখেই বুঝতে পারছেন আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি গলফ কোর্সের সামনে। ঠিক ধরেছেন, আমি দাঁড়িয়ে আছি রয়্যাল ক্যালকাটা গলফ ক্লাবে। আর এই রয়্যাল ক্যালকাটা গলফ ক্লাবে অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে আইসিসি আরসিজিসি ওপেন গলফ চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ। আর এই চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপে অংশবিশেষে আজ রয়্যাল ক্যালকাটা গলফ ক্লাবে এসেছিলেন ভারতের প্রবাদ প্রতিম অলরাউন্ডার এবং 1983 বিশ্বকাপ জয়ী ক্যাপ্টেন কপিল দেব নিখঞ্জ। কপিল দেব নিখঞ্জ কলকাতায় এলেন, প্রেস মিট করলেন এবং প্রেসের সামনে বললেন নানা কথা। এবং তিনি গল্ফের সবুজ গালিচায় গল্প খেললেন। আমরা অনেকেই জানি না হয়তো কপিল দেবের ক্রিকেটের পরে দ্বিতীয় যেটা সবচেয়ে প্রিয় খেলা সেটাই হলো গল্ফ।
I saw the photographs all while coming from the airport. Is that right? The full of all the Jersey boys standing. I just watch. Doesn't matter. Whatever the sport's coming. If you say I'm listening to the lecture, I have no time. But I don't mind watching sports because that's my passion and my life is. Yeah. I don't think so. I'm here tomorrow, but if I'm sitting on television not doing anything, I will definitely. He's a good man, good cricketer, and I cross my finger he will do better job as a coach than cricketer because in cricket nobody done better than him. So I can only cross my finger. You have to do both the job to be considered all-rounder. He's not bowling now. So can we call him all-rounder? Let him bowl. He come out from the injury. I think he's extremely important batsman to the country. For a bowling, he have to play lot more matches and perform and bowl. And then we will say, yes. Like I say, Jadeja, what a fabulous cricketer. But unfortunately, he improved as a batsman and come down as a bowler to me. When he started, he was far better bowler. But now he's a far better batsman. Every time India need him, he will get runs. But he's not performing as a bowler what he used to. I don't mind if they come every time to the final. I don't mind. You know, when there's so many teams are playing, if they keep on coming to the top 2, 3 teams, it's good. Other people also come to play. What you have to say about Australia is so much passionate about cricket, and they won after almost 15 years T20 World Cup. What do you have to say? So the win will come. You carry on, keep on trying harder and harder and harder. And when they play well, it will come out as a champion. आपको क्या होता है अगर है तो इंडियन टीम ही ना, वो ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है या आपके लिए इंडिविजुअल इम्पोर्टेंट है? और जब किसी को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी देते हैं, वेट फॉर फ्यू इयर्स टू सी ही डन राइट और रॉन्ग. Let's not jump into that. Give that youngster a credit to perform the way he want to perform. Why should we as Indian try to have opinion before even it started? I don't think so. It's right for me to give my opinion. I think it's the country's policies and the board's policy is more important. People like us should not even give opinion and try to create something. I would rather sit and watch what other people are doing, because this is not my cup of tea. So why should I even talk about that? As a sportsman, we like to play. Rest is leave it to the organization and the government. If today government open to go and play anywhere in the world, we will go. That's happened in 92 with South Africa also the same. It wasn't allowed to go there. We couldn't play. When the government open up and the policies change, it's okay with the players.
লেটেস্ট নিউজ আর এক্সক্লুসিভ ভিডিওর সঙ্গে আপডেট থাকতে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করুন আমাদের ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। বেল আইকনে ক্লিক করতে ভুলবেন না যেন।